Video footage released online appears to show the horrific moment a plane crashed and caught fire in Afghanistan. All 7 US crew members were killed when the cargo plane came down at Bagram Air Base on the 29th of April. The date stamp on the video is not accurately set. Carrying military vehicles and general cargo, the Boeing 747 was on its way to Dubai. The exact cause of the crash is not yet known, although thunderstorms were reported in the area. The Taliban had initially claimed responsibility, but NATO said those claims were false. It's unclear who uploaded the video, but it's believed it first appeared on a forum called Documenting Reality. The US National Transportation Safety Board and the Afghanistan Civil Aviation Authority are investigating the crash.